Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be building another Lego set, and this one I've only just recently got and I'm very excited to build. We have the Creator Downtown Noodle Shop. Let's get this box open. Here's all the pieces from the first bag. Now we can get building. Here's our first minifigure. This one is a little chef. First thing we've built is this little ice cream cart, which is pushed along by a bicycle. Here we've built the customer side of the noodle bar. You can see little bowls for the customers, a couple of little seats, some sauces, and a plate which I'm assuming has rice on it. The next thing we've built is the kitchen side. So you can see here the little kitchen station with a stove. Around the side is a little sink, and they have a broom and a wrench on the side of the wall. first bag. We have the kitchen side and we have the noodle bar customer side, which slot together. You can see here we've added a couple more flags on the inside, and on the outside we have the menu. There are also these cute little lanterns out the front, and on this side we've got the door and stairs leading up. Let's get on to bag 2. Here we have the contents of the second bag. Here we have our second minifigure, which is a female. She's holding a pair of chopsticks, and you can see on her right side, above her ear, that she's wearing a hearing aid. We've created the inside of the living room upstairs. So you can see a comfy couch, a little radio, picture of elephant safari on the side, and we've also built the roof of the noodle bar downstairs. On the side of the building there's a sign advertising the noodle bar. It's got a pair of chopsticks into a box of noodles. Interesting thing about this sign is that these noodle pieces in here aren't actually attached to anything, they just kind of slot into the other pieces. That concludes the second bag. So as before, I showed you the living room. Now we have this entrance room, which has got a little table with flowers on top. There's also a door to the upstairs apartment. Let's go on to bag 3, which is the final bag. These are the contents of the third and final bag, so let's finish off the build. We finished off the roof part of the build. So you can see here a little trapdoor to get onto the roof. There's a tree, a satellite, and a little bird on the side. Final part of the build, we created this little square that has the lamppost here and the street name, Creator Street. It also has a vending machine. And the final piece was this dog that we created out of Lego. Definitely something that I have not done before, as usually animals come as individual pieces. So that concludes our build of the downtown Noodle shop. I really enjoyed building this Lego set. It is a fairly new set and it's been a while since I've built a new set. I usually do retired products. One thing I enjoyed about this build was the number of different Lego pieces that I hadn't seen before and the way that they were used in the build. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel for more Lego videos and leave me a comment on what you'd like to see in future videos.